What if the world we live in could be free of poverty, hunger, and inequality? What if we could achieve peace, prosperity, and sustainability? These aren't just idealistic dreams, but achievable goals. Welcome to a journey through the UN's 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Sustainable development, a harmonious blend of environmental, social, and economic aspects, is no longer a choice but a necessity. These 17 goals aim for a better and more sustainable future for all. The path to achieving these ambitious goals isn't easy, but every step taken towards them is a step towards a better future. Established by the United Nations in 2015, these 17 Sustainable Development Goals serve as a roadmap to global prosperity, peace, and sustainability. Let's take a journey through these goals and see how they interconnect to provide a blueprint for a better world. Our journey begins with the first goal, no poverty. Its mission is simple yet profound, aiming to eradicate poverty in all its forms. Moving on, we encounter zero hunger, the second goal, which strives to end hunger, achieve food security, and promote sustainable agriculture. The third step on our journey is good health and well-being. This goal seeks to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Following closely is quality education, the fourth goal, emphasizing inclusive and equitable quality education and promoting lifelong learning opportunities for all. We then arrive at gender equality, the fifth goal. This goal aims to achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. Next, clean water and sanitation, the sixth goal, endeavors to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. The seventh goal, affordable and clean energy, aspires to ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. Following this, we encounter decent work and economic growth, the eighth goal, which promotes sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. The ninth goal, industry, innovation, and infrastructure, aims to build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation. The 10th goal, reduced inequalities, seeks to reduce inequality within and among countries. Moving forward, we find sustainable cities and communities, the 11th goal, striving to make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. The 12th goal, responsible consumption and production, aims to ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. Next, we encounter climate action, the 13th goal, which strives to take urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. Following this, life below water, the 14th goal, aims to conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas, and marine resources. The 15th goal, life on land, seeks to protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, halt and reverse land degradation, and halt biodiversity loss. The 16th goal, peace, justice, and strong institutions, promotes peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development, provides access to justice for all, and builds effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels. Lastly, we reach partnerships for the goals, the 17th goal, which seeks to strengthen the means of implementation and revitalize the global partnership for sustainable development. From eradicating poverty and hunger to ensuring peace, justice, and strong institutions, these goals encompass the most pressing challenges of our time. Each of these goals is not an independent entity, but a part of a larger, interconnected network. They are all equally important and rely on each other to achieve a sustainable and prosperous world for all. Together, they form the pillars of a sustainable, equitable, and inclusive future for our planet. Despite the ambitious nature of these goals, the path to achieving them is fraught with challenges. The road to 2030 is a winding one, with steep ascents and treacherous drops. Rising inequalities, climate change, and the global pandemic are but a few of the obstacles that stand in our way. Inequalities, like towering mountains, cast a long shadow over our journey. They create divides, not just between the rich and the poor, but also among nations, genders, races, and age groups. Conquering these divides is an uphill battle, but one that we must undertake for the sake of sustainable development. Climate change, like a raging storm, threatens to sweep away our progress. It's a challenge that transcends borders, making it an issue of global concern. To weather this storm, we need global cooperation and commitment to sustainable practices. The global pandemic, like an unexpected detour, has set us off course. It has affected every aspect of life, underscoring the interconnectedness of health, economy, society, and environment. It's a stark reminder that our fates are intertwined, and that we must work together to navigate the path forward. Overcoming these challenges requires not just political commitment, but also sustainable financing. We need to channel significant financial resources towards these goals, leveraging both public and private investments. The journey to 2030 may be steep, but with global unity, sustainable policies, and the spirit to never give up, we can make the world a better place for all.